So today I just really wanted to share with you guys decorating the top of it. So welcome back, friends. I'm excited to say that my new cabinet is here. It arrived early and my husband put it together this afternoon. So I'm really excited about that. I shared with you guys yesterday the pillow covers that came. And so I'm gonna share with you a few little up close shots of the cabinet without decorating it. What we're gonna work on today is something on the top. I'm going to, I found something that I wanna hang above it, and then we're just gonna decorate the top of it. And right now, due to obvious circumstances, I'm shopping my home. So these things most likely will change. Some of them probably won't, but you know, a few of them will. And so today, I just really wanted to share with you guys decorating the top of it and giving you a glimpse of what this looks like. Let me share with you the first piece that we're going to use to hang on the wall. This has, oh my goodness, so many wonderful features about it, you guys. Okay, first off, I'm going to insert a clip of this clock that they sell at Pottery Barn. It's like $199, and it doesn't even have this detail right here. I love the fact that it's not all white. It's got that black in it that's gonna pick up off of that cabinet. So whoever it was that made that suggestion of, you know, a large clock, thank you, because you got me thinking. I have this in my office. I never look at it when I'm in my office. I always look at my phone. And so it's just there for decor. So we are going to hang this above our cabinet. So there it is. We have hung our very first piece. And again, to whoever it was that commented about using a large clock, love that idea because number one, free, I already had it. Number two, it works beautifully with this piece because again, the black that's in it. And number three, we don't have a clock in this room. And I cannot tell you how many times I've walked in and out the front door and then I'm like, oh, what time is it? And I have to grab my phone out of my pocket. So the fact that I can see this at a glance, perfect. And again, that may just stay there, who knows? Okay, so my bad. I actually thought I was recording and I was not. So I started decorating the top of this without you guys. But what I added that you didn't get to see is I added this cloche with some rolled up book pages is what I'm trying to say. Inside of it on this end of the top of the cabinet. So now we're going to put something down on this end. And again, I'm just shopping my home right now, you guys. So this might change, but for now, I don't want to leave this just bare because who knows when we're going to be able to get out again and shop. So it will drive me crazy to have this naked that long. So I'm going to add on the other end to kind of go with that same story of the book pages. I have this book that was already, the cover was taken off of it. I got it at an antique store a long time ago. And I'm just going to use this to put on the other end. So I just angled the book there, if you guys can see that. I just sort of gave it an angle so that, and I will give you guys a close-up look, but I put that in an angle just to give it a little visual interest. The next thing that I want to use are these candlesticks that I got from the Magnolia Homes collection because they have this black on them and the gold, and I think that really is kind of like a very, you know, Pottery Barn look and kind of modern, and these will kind of act as like a structural sculptural piece, if you will. So I'm just going to set those on top of the book pages. I think those look really nice. They really make the book pop and adds a little element of gold, which I don't have a lot of in this room, so I like that. So now we're going to grab our next piece. So I hate to keep saying it, but shopping my house, and I have this lamb's ear plant. We all kind of have these from IKEA, and the only pot I have is the big white one that it came in, and that just looks really abrasive on top of here. So actually this really simplistic black pot, I'm actually not hating it. So I'm gonna just put that here in the center, and this is just so that we can have a little element of greenery on top. And I think that, you know, again, with the black, it really ties into this entire story, so I'm not mad at it. And when I get the opportunity to either change this up or to get a different, you know, planter, I might, but I may just leave it in this, who knows. Last piece I'm gonna add to the top is this hammered glass tea light holder that I got from Pier 1. I shared that in a recent video with you guys, and I'm just gonna put it right here. We'll push our plant back a little bit, and I'll put it right here, and that's going to complete the top. I don't think that this looks at all like overcrowded. Everything looks very purposeful. It all goes well together. So I'm gonna give you guys a close-up look. So thank you guys so much for watching. When I can shop around my house a little bit more, I will bring you along in decorating the inside of the cabinet, because we don't know when we're going to be able to get out, you know, and look for anything. And so if it's going to be any extended period of time, as I said, I will not be able to have this just be bare. So I'll be, you know, looking around my home at things that are perhaps in my office that I don't see or use a lot and things like that, to pull them in and use them inside. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week, and check out my video description for links to all my social media sites, because that is where the real action takes place.